Still counting steps with a basic tracker in 2025? Time for an upgrade. Whether you're chasing a PR or just trying to stay active between Zoom calls, a Garmin can change the way you move, train, and recover. But with so many models out there, finding your perfect watch, that's the real challenge. I've tested them all, on runs, hikes, lifts, even couch marathons, so you don't have to. Here are the best Garmin watches of 2025, and which one actually deserves your wrist. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with something light on your wrist and your wallet. The Garmin Vivoactive 5. This watch is ideal if you're just getting serious about fitness, or you want all the smart features without paying flagship prices. It's got a vibrant AMOLED touchscreen, GPS that's accurate for everyday use, and on-device music playback. You'll find 30-plus workout modes, including yoga, strength, HIIT, swimming, and more. And the best part? Everything syncs cleanly into the Garmin Connect app, with no premium subscription required. That means you get full access to insights like body battery, stress levels, sleep tracking, and even cycle tracking if that's relevant for you. Sure, it skips on some pro-level tools like training readiness and doesn't include a barometric altimeter, so you won't get elevation data or stairs climb. It also lacks multi-band GPS, though standard GPS is more than good enough for casual workouts. But if you want a reliable, sleek watch that feels like a lifestyle upgrade, this is a fantastic entry point into the Garmin ecosystem. Oh, and battery life? You're looking at up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and 21 hours in GPS mode. Not bad for the price. Next up, let's talk outdoor adventure. This is the Garmin Instinct 3, and it is an absolute tank. Built to survive the wild, the Instinct 3 keeps everything tough, tactical, and insanely long-lasting. We're talking up to 30 hours of GPS battery life, or if you go with the solar edition. Your unlimited power in ideal sunlight thanks to solar charging. That's with at least 3 hours of 50,000 lux sunlight per day. You get military-grade durability, a built-in flashlight, and full support for Garmin's SateIQ positioning, which locks onto multiple satellites for ultra-accurate tracking, even in dense woods or mountains. Some models now even offer AMOLED displays. But keep in mind that the standard Instinct 3 still comes with Garmin's classic transflective screen, built for visibility in all light conditions. No touchscreen here, and that's on purpose. Physical buttons make a huge difference when your fingers are sweaty, gloved, or frozen. This is the kind of watch that thrives on hikes, climbs, and long off-grid adventures. If you're more base camp than bench press, the Instinct 3 is probably your match. Now, if you're all about pace, cadence, and split times, this one's for you. The Garmin Forerunner 265 is built for runners who want next-level performance data without going full Ironman mode. Right away, that AMOLED display hits you, bright, sharp, and easy to read mid-stride. But this isn't just about looks, it's about function. You get training readiness to tell you if today's a go day or a rest day. VO2 max, load tracking, race predictors, wrist-based heart rate, and onboard music. You can even download Spotify playlists for offline listening. No phone needed. And yeah, battery life holds up. 20 hours in GPS mode up to 13 days in smartwatch mode. It's not the most advanced Forerunner out there, that's the 965, but it's by far the smartest pick for most runners. Now with dual-band GNSS for pinpoint tracking. Light, fast, accurate, and surprisingly stylish. If your workout starts with a warm-up and ends with cool-down stats, this is your wrist partner. Okay, this next one, it's not for casual joggers. The Garmin Enduro 2 is the kind of watch you buy when you're doing ultramarathons, Ironmans, or multi-day expeditions. This thing is massive, both in size and performance. You get up to 150 hours of GPS in Ultra Track mode with solar, or 81 hours in standard GPS mode. Plus, topographic maps, turn-by-turn routing, and even a next fork feature that alerts you before trail splits. Training tools are off the charts. You get grade-adjusted pace, rest timers, climb detection, heart rate variability, and full recovery tracking. The flashlight is actually useful during night runs or trail emergencies. And honestly, the battery alone makes it a dream if you hate charging. In smartwatch mode, it lasts up to 34 days, or up to 46 days with solar. It's pricey, yeah, but if you're pushing the limits, this thing doesn't flinch. The Enduro 2 is less like a smartwatch and more like a survival tool disguised as one. And finally, this is the watch I recommend to almost everyone, the Garmin Venu 3. Why? Because it blends Garmin's industry-best health tracking with the convenience of a modern smartwatch. You get that super high-res AMOLED display, built-in speaker and mic for calls, offline music, and smartwatch features like calendar view, notifications, and even Ring doorbell alerts, if those notifications are enabled on your connected phone. But it doesn't stop there. Venu 3 also brings serious wellness tools like advanced sleep tracking, stress levels, hydration logs, body battery, wheelchair mode, and more. The battery lasts up to 14 days in smartwatch mode and up to 26 hours in continuous GPS mode. The UI is clean and intuitive. It's not trying to replace a Phoenix or an Enduro, but that's the point. It's perfect for someone who works out a few times a week, wants real health insights, and values design just as much as function. If you've been bouncing between smartwatches that are either too sporty or too basic, this is the middle ground done right. That's a wrap. Garmin's best for 2025, tested and ranked. Venu 3 for smart features, Instinct 3 or Enduro 2 for outdoor beasts, Forerunner 265 for runners, Vivoactive 5 for budget-friendly balance. Which one's on your wish list? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, hit like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Train smart, live sharp.